Now, Malaysia and the United Kingdom needs to focus more on collaboration in the innovation and high technologies manufacturing fields. British High Commissioner to Malaysia Charles Hay said there is a huge potential trade for both the countries, as currently more than hundreds of fintech companies operate in Malaysia.
So I think as Malaysia builds her economy into becoming a high-income country, I think there are some really interesting ambitions at the moment in, for example, innovation, high-tech manufacturing, tech, all these areas. And these are areas where the UK also has great strengths. We have great strengths in fintech. There are more than 100 British tech companies who've got operations of one kind or another here in Malaysia. There's huge scope and potential for us to do more together in these areas.
While appearing as a guest on Bernama TV's The Nation programme on Wednesday, Charles said he has had to understand Malaysian politics during his tenure since 2019. In fact, he was compelled to report on any change that occurred in this country.
London. And one thing is absolutely true, that Malaysian politics have been extremely complex over the last 4 years. So trying to explain that to colleagues in London has been sometimes a challenge. And for us also, trying to understand who's in, who's out, who's influential, why has that person got that job, how are the parties shifting between themselves. It's been really fascinating to observe.
When asked what is the most memorable thing about Malaysia, he said it was the country's diversity and food.
Malaysia is a fantastically diverse country, both in terms of people, but also in terms of the mega diversity of the environment here. Malaysia is one of 12, I think, globally mega diverse countries, so that's extraordinary, an extraordinary thing to see. And it's a very beautiful country. Banyak. Keindahan, Malaysia.
Keindahan. Thank you so much.